It is midnight right now. I just got home to Winnipeg, Canada. This morning we were 14,857 kilometers away, all the way in Singapore. I think this deserves a 57-second travel montage.
So let us scan the barcode here. Just press it down. Thank you.
What's up?
No.
Josh is having trouble getting through customs.
We're going to Toronto, or Winnipeg.
Thank you.
Josh is getting stopped again. I just don't like his bags. It's 11:30. We just touched down in Winnipeg. It's been Saturday for the last 36 and a half hours for us. Good trip though, huh?
It was a really good trip. I can't speak.
Have a good one. I'm going to sleep. All right. I've been lying to you guys a little bit. Everything that you're seeing happened a week ago. I got home 7 days ago. Now, how we did this, and actually the whole purpose of this trip, was for me to finally get a vacation. And I don't mean a vacation in terms of traveling somewhere, because trust me, when you're making daily YouTube content, that is not a vacation, that is more work than you've ever had to do before. So this is where our plan came in. We made 13 videos in 9 days in Hong Kong. We flew over to Singapore and made 7 videos in 5 days. Do the math, you have some leftover videos, didn't upload for a couple days, and when I got home, I got a 7-day vacation. The first real vacation I've had in 3 years. It felt pretty amazing, very amazing. I'm not gonna lie, that was probably the best 7 days I've had in a long time. Just being able to clear my head and just rest. Over the last 7 days, I decided to focus all of my energy into doing 7 specific things that I wasn't able to do while I was away. Number 1 was sleeping. I've been home for 4 days and I'm still not readjusted to the time zone, you know. Yesterday I slept from 5:45 in the evening until 2:30 in the morning. My sleep schedule is so screwed up. Now the trip was really fun, but while we were there, I'm pretty sure it was the humidity, or maybe it was just dumb luck. I had almost every single electronic device that I took over their break. Number 2 was fixing everything. Okay, so this camera broke, this camera broke, this phone really broke. Like, how does the screen even... I need to fix all of these. Okay, I'm not gonna fix them, but I'm gonna drop them off at the store that's gonna fix them. If I had to guess, 800 bucks. Doing YouTube, you get really busy and you force yourself to always have your mind on the job. It's stressful and time consuming and extremely obsessive doing YouTube full time. And lots of times when I'm working every day, making a video, I never take a time to just breathe, relax, and hang out with friends. So over the past week, I made a point to hang out with as many of my friends as possible. It was really good. Yo, what's up, dude?
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
What's up?
Hey.
What's up, dude?
Sorry I'm late, man.
What's up, player?
Okay. Amazing. How's your trip?
What's up? Winnipeg opened up a Popeyes.
Apparently.
And in typical Winnipeg fashion, there's a line out the door for Popeyes.
Oh, that's awesome. Are you serious?
And it's real, too.
Full crap.
Now you guys know I probably like to go to a lot of sneaker shops, and that is true, and it's fun, but at the same time filming it and making videos about it all the time, frustrating. So for the past 7 days, I did no sneaker shopping. Like none. No, I'm dead serious. Like I haven't been to a sneaker store since we were in that mall in Singapore, which for you guys was yesterday, but for me was 8 days ago. It's been nice not having to look at shoes every day. Now I haven't done any sneaker shopping over the past couple of weeks, but I mean, obviously I've still bought some stuff. Finally bought a painting for that wall. It's pretty big.
Is this gonna work?
I'm just gonna let it rest here though, because I have no idea how to hang it up. Is that gonna stay?
It's gonna stay.
I shot over 1 terabyte of footage in Singapore and Hong Kong, and I wanted to store it, and I've never had a backup hard drive. 5 freaking terabytes, and it's this tiny. How is it this freaking tiny? 5 terabytes, and it's the size of my palm. Number 6 was me actually getting a chance to celebrate my birthday. Last year I had my birthday in Hong Kong by myself. I couldn't even find cheesecake in Hong Kong, which was very depressing. But this year I got to celebrate it. Sort of. I'm 22 today, so that's cool. I don't really do the whole birthday thing. I just feel weird being celebrated for having done nothing and just having an arbitrary date on the calendar. My dad gave me a card though, so I mean, that was nice. Thanks, Dad. Okay, scratch that. These guys made me go out for birthday dinner. Begrudgingly. Love you guys. And the final thing, and the most important thing that I've been able to do over this past week is just sit down, think, and prioritize what I want to do and where I want to go in the future. Not just geographically, I'm talking about a direction I want to take my life. And I've had a lot of great thought, and I feel very good and rejuvenated about everything. As you guys probably saw, over 50% of the videos we made in Hong Kong were not sneaker shopping. Some of them were what can $100 buy you, buying fake stuff, or just exploring or doing something cool. And that's something I want to do a lot more of. And yeah, the views are a little bit lower to start, but I get that. Some of you guys don't want to watch that, but there's a lot more people that want to watch that than people that want to watch sneakers. I know I have the talent to make those videos. I know I have the passion to make those videos. So I'm gonna be making some more of those in the future, and that's something I'm very excited about. I've also started a business venture that isn't doing YouTube videos, but is still very involved with YouTube behind the scenes, which I am extremely excited to get rolling. And right now it's just a little side income, but who knows, down the road it could become something significant. Just being able to sit down, think, and prioritize what I want to do has been really nice, and having 7 days to do it has been a big blessing, which really makes this trip worth it. I also need to give a huge thank you to Josh for coming on this trip with me. It was a huge help. I wouldn't have been able to film that many videos in such a short amount of time without someone helping me. I wouldn't have been able to make them as good as they looked without someone helping me, and just I wouldn't have been able to learn and get a different perspective on how I want to make videos and what I want to make videos of without another creative person helping me do all of the videos that we filmed in Asia. So Josh, thank you very much. I appreciate you. All of you guys that are watching, I'm gonna leave Josh's YouTube channel down in the description. His videos are so freaking good. Go subscribe. You will not be disappointed. His videos are awesome. Now, while I was in Asia, I didn't buy a ton of stuff for 2 reasons. First off is I had a suitcase and there's only so much room in the suitcase, so I ended up buying a Bape t-shirt, which we saw in a video. I ended up buying the Gucci slides, which I'm not taking out because they are a pain in the butt, which we saw in the video. And then I ended up getting these as well, the Pharrell Human Race NMDs. I got these on release, actually like 13 hours before everyone else got them, just because of the time conversion, and I got the video out right when they released, and that was a cool thing to do. But being in Hong Kong, as you can see, look what size they are. They're a size 11. They don't fit me. This is the biggest size that they had, just big enough for me to squeeze onto my foot. So thankfully, I did some work online and I got my size 12. I'm trading the size 11 for the size 12 because someone thought they fit big, they fit less big than they thought. Anyway, I'm getting my size 12 for these, which is great. Now, I could have bought a 3rd pair of shoes if I really wanted to. I had room in my luggage to do so 100%, but I didn't because I actually bought a 3rd pair of shoes while I was in Asia. I just bought them online. So this is technically my last Asian sneaker pickup that I got in 2018, and they are right here. Now, this pair of shoes, I don't know what happened. I've owned these in the past. My friend Insane Kicks gave me a great price on these, and I had them and I never wore them, and then I wanted to wear them for Canada Day this July, and I could not find them anywhere. I looked all over my dad's house, I looked all over my house, I looked in my car, I looked in the garage, I looked in the basement, like nowhere. I looked in my storage locker. nowhere. So I bought them again on eBay. They cost me like $220, which is more than I wanted to pay for them. But what can you do? It's a dope pair of sneakers, the Nike SB Dunk High Chinese New Year. Now I know SBs are not hyped up in the slightest. No one really cares about these anymore. I care about them, and these are crazy. The red suede, the gold, the just beautiful shade of this shoe looks so nice, and I'm very happy that I was able to pick these up again. I don't know what I did with the first pair. Might have sold them. I stopped keeping a record of the shoes I sold. I used to have a really good record book, but I was just selling so many it became impractical to keep on updating it. So maybe I sold them. I hope I didn't lose them. I hope I sold them and at least got money for them, but I didn't want to sell them because I really like these. And I picked up a pair for $220, which, you know, I wish it was $120, but $220 is not a bad price. And now I have these back in the collection. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate every single one of you. The Asia videos have been amazing. There's gonna be some more amazing videos this month, some Hypebeast mystery boxes, some tech unboxings, some more traveling to Boston, Philly, New York, Toronto, maybe Texas, might be hitting up Texas maybe, and then maybe Spain and Dubai, and I have a whole bunch of places. I booked 7 flights today. I literally booked 7 flights today. It is going to be a fun couple of months. I love you guys, and I will see you very soon. Peace.